Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The only way to learn maths is to do maths, to practice maths, do more and more sums. Maths gives us hope that every problem has a solution. Today's topic is how to find the solution, how to find the cube of any number. How to find the cube of any number? First we'll write the cube of first 10 natural number. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube equal 27, 4 cube equal to 64, 5 cube equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216, 7 cube equal to 343, 8 cube equal to 512, 9 cube equal to 729 and 10 cube is equal to 1000. Let's take an example. 13 whole cube. Give 4 dashes. In first part, we'll write 1 cube. In fourth part, we'll write 3 cube. That is 27. Now multiply 1, 3 and 3. 1 into 3, 3, 3 is a 9. Write 9 here. And multiply 9 with 1. 9 in the second part. 9 with 3, 27 in the third part. Now from the fourth part, write ones and tens and we'll consider 7 from ones place and write here 7 separately. Now this 2 will carry towards 27 and add it, we'll get 29 and we'll take 9, right here 9 and this 2 will be carried toward 9. So 9 plus 2, 11. We will take 1, right here 1 and this 1 will be carried toward this 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So right here 2. So 13 cube is 2197. Example 2. 17 whole cube. Give 4 dashes and write 1 cube in the first part. That is 1. 7 cube 343 in the fourth part. Now multiply 1, 7 and 3. 1 into 7, 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 into 1, 21. Write in the second part. 21 into 7. We'll write in the third part. 147. Now from the fourth part, we'll consider 3 from ones place. Write 3 and this 34 will be carried on to 147. Now add it. 7 plus 4, 11, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 and 1. So we have 181. So from 181, we'll consider 1 from the ones place. Right here 1 and 18 will be carried toward 21. Now add it. 8 plus 1, 9, 2 plus 1, 3. So from 39, we'll consider 9 from the ones place. Write 9 here. And 3 will be carried toward 1. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Answer is 4913. Example 3. 25 whole cube. Give 4 dashes. 2 cube 8 in the first part. 5 cube 125 in the fourth part. And multiply 2, 5 and 3. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Now multiply 30 into 2, that is 60, right in the second part. 30 into 5, 150, right in the third part. Now from the fourth part, we'll consider 5 from ones place. So right here 5. Now 12 will be carried toward 150, right? 12. Now add it. we'll have 2, 6, 1, 162. So from 162, we'll take 2 from the ones place, right here 2, and 16 will be carried towards 60, right, 16. Now add it. 6 plus 0, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Now we'll take 6 from the ones place. 7 will be carried toward 8. Now add 7 plus 8, that is 15. Now write 15 here. So answer is 15625. Example 4. 101 whole cube. We'll take 10 as the first digit and the 1 as the second digit. A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 1. Give 4 dashes. For first place, find 10 cube, that is 1000. For fourth place, 1 cube is 1. Now multiply 10 into 1 into 3, that is 30. For second place, 30 into 10, that is 300. For third place, 30 into 1, 30. Now we'll start from the fourth place. So we'll take 1 from fourth place. From third place, we'll take 0, and this 3 will be carried towards 300. Now add it. We'll have 303. We'll take 3 from the ones place, and this 30 will be carried toward 1000. Add it. 1030. So write 1030. 101 whole cube is 1030301. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.